Hi, as you showing on the table, a breadboard you can see. Now we are talking about breadboard. As we show on the breadboard, there are many holes. On the top of the breadboard, there are five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 holes, we can say that these five are set of holes. We can say this is a chamber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 chambers. In the chambers, 5 holes. If we talking about the first line, the first line of the 5 chamber, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we talking about first line and 5 chamber till this, these first line are internally connected. Yes, as you hearing, these first line is internally connected, and when you pin of VCC here represent voltage. The first pin, as you press in this hole, these all chambers till 5 are, as I say, it is internally connected. All the 5 chambers internally connected, as I say, all the holes of 5 chambers are giving VCC. And when talking about the second line, we can use also for VCC, also for ground. So these all 5 chambers are internally connected, as I say, and all the others 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chambers are internally connected, as we seen. And when we talking about bottom chambers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these all 5 chambers also internally connected in horizontally, 5 chambers. And the second final line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chambers in the final line are as connected. So 5 chambers connected. And when we talking about the last, this also connected. So we seen we can use as VCC, we can use as ground, and we can use these 2 lines as VCC, and we can use these as ground. So, now we are talking in the middle. As you are showing, there are many holes in the middles and 2 parts. Here 2 parts. Okay. So we now the 2 parts, we can say first chamber, second chamber. So here we can use like a buzzer for electrically component for testing. So as I press a buzzer in the breadboard, so it use, first of all we can talk the first line, not horizontally, we talking about vertically. As you seen in the vertically of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as your 5 holes, the 5 holes in the vertically are internally connected, and here also vertically connected these 5 holes, and here chambers are horizontally, but in this vertically connected, and these chambers are in these lines. These vertically, these lines and this line are not internally connected. These lines are separated, these lines also separated. So these lines are connected, internally sorted. As I told, vertically, and it's also vertically, not horizontally. Horizontally, this vertically. So we can use, as I say, VCC and ground, but this is electric component testing. So the breadboard is using. So thank you watching these videos. Okay.